Hey guys, welcome to week 2. This week we are really going to focus on culture and communication and look at this from a self-assessment point of view. So this is an approach that's really helpful, whether it be with leadership or anything else. You want to kind of see where you stand and what's happening from your own perspective. So I think you're really going to enjoy the content. I want to thank you guys for your patience. This transition to Brightspace has been a little bit tough. There were some changes last week and things that were found and things that were happening. So thank you for being the pioneers with all of this. As you find things, if there's a problem, please let me know and trust that I will do the right thing for you. Everybody knows that you guys are the first ones taking the Brightspace class, and it's really cool that you're doing it. So again, just let me know if you find issues. We'll figure it out together, and thank you again for your patience. I encourage you to just think of this from a growth mindset and what it's going to be like on the other side of this as we get through the first term in this, using this new technology together. And again, let me know if you have any questions or concerns.